Hey, do you feel like this online business thing is impossible to achieve? Well, for most people, they're overwhelmed, they're confused, and they feel like nothing will work for them. So I'm going to give you 5 steps to follow to simplify and to focus the process. Now keep in mind, when you master these foundational steps, you can improve upon them to explode your business. Now, with that being said, here are the 5 steps that can lead to success in the next 6 to 12 months. Now, step 1, pick one business model to start. It doesn't matter what it is, but pick something that you like, that resonates with you. Businesses you could start: affiliate marketing, e-commerce, product creation, influencer marketing, a marketing agency. Every one of these business models work. And don't buy into the saturation myth, because something has been around for a long time. Now, remember, just pick one and commit to it until you get the result. Last step on step 1, pick one product to focus on, selling and mastering the process. Once you sell one thing successfully, it's pretty easy to add in a second product. Multiple streams of income are not possible until you learn to sell one product consistently. Now, step 2, ignore everything else. And this is where most people fail. My point here is you need to pick a business model, then pick a mentor who aligns with that model, with what you're doing. If you love the idea of affiliate marketing, but you're following someone who teaches e-commerce, those are drastically different businesses, and you're going to confuse yourself. Following many people is a guaranteed way to get confused. You want quality over quantity. So it's one business model and one mentor. Now, step 3, pick your traffic source. Now, you have your business model and you have your product you will sell. You need attention, otherwise known as people or traffic. There are tons of traffic source to pick. So know your audience, know where they hang out, and spend all of your time learning and mastering this platform. Most people are a jack of all trades and masters of none. Now, step 4, how will you sell the product? You have the business model, you have the traffic source, and now you need to know how to sell the product. Email marketing, one-on-one, messenger, phone calls, webinars, YouTube videos, to a landing page. Now, every one of these methods work, but each requires you to learn one skill at a time. Remember this: the success is a process. The process should be to help people solve their problem. The event is making the money, but the process is where your focus should be. You can't have the event without mastering the process. Now, step 5, have complete self-belief in your abilities. Look, you will never have 100% game-proof plan. You just have to get started and work out the kinks as you mess things up. But take action. The reason people say this is because the money is not in studying and thinking about it. It's in the doing. There will never be a perfect time, and you will never truly be ready. You learn from your mistakes and course correct as you go. Sometimes you mess up, and when you do mess up, just do whatever it needs to be done to make it right. You're human and mistakes happen. So stop worrying. Stop doubting yourself. Stop worrying about what ifs. If you focus on the what ifs, you'll never start. Start and figure things out as you go. You don't have to do this by yourself. That's why you have a mentor and a proven system. Your life can go from humdrum to amazing in a relatively short space of time. Simplify, focus, mentorship. Do you want that? DM amazing and I'll send the link to start. All the best. Peace.